What do we have here today? I'm getting into this habit of cooking outside. Um, this is some Middle Eastern concoction again, but with turkey. Look at this. Wow. I used a lot of Middle Eastern spices. There's some different types of beans, and I forgot to put chickpeas, but we can add that at the end. And bell peppers, lots of garlic, onions, mushrooms. Actually, I love mushrooms. May not sound too Middle Eastern-y, but it's there. It's healthy, and it's smoking hot, and it's smoking smoky. Mmm, yummy, 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 yummy.